Here you see the beautiful design of the Saxdor 320 GTO hull, overall length 10.3 meters. We came up with many innovative solutions to get the weight low enough. The boat has deep re-entry twin step that gives you performance, economy, and a very soft ride. It can actually go as fast as 60 knots, but we wanted to limit the speed to 50 knots with twin engines. The starting point for the Saxdor 320 GTO's design was that it should be able to operate with one V8 engine. Today, especially in Europe, fuel consumption and environmental concerns are becoming ever more important. The Saxdor 320 GTO is a walk-around boat, including the back area in front of the engines. The area between the seating and the engines is put to practical use. The aft cockpit can be configured in various ways. You have seating for 6 to 7 people around a big table. This area can be converted into a large sunbathing area, and you can also have the seats 3 plus 3 plus 3, meaning 9 people facing forward in the boat. The bathing platforms are large and safe to walk on, opening electrically on both sides. It's a superb place for following water sport activities, and they make it easy to move between the water and the boat. The fully equipped wet bar includes refrigerators on both sides. When you need more space for cooking, just slide the bench in front of the wet bar. The large front cabin comes with full-sized fixed bed, a separate toilet that you can fully enclose with a foldable door. A lot of natural light comes in from the side windows and the windows in the roof. At the helm, there are twin information displays from Simrad, providing access to all the technical features of the boat, including the entertainment system and the navigational equipment. We also have controls for the engine options at the helm, such as the joystick control for the JPO, the option of the first mate, the man overboard system, the bow thruster controls, and the controls for the trim tabs. We strive to use the latest possible technology because we believe that boats are moving toward becoming ever smarter. You can select options like air conditioning with heating, a solar panel, and much more. Under the seat there are remote switches for the main battery switches, so-called remote relays, providing very easy access for turning on and off the main batteries. The big technical hatch allows easy access to the technical service room, which is appreciated by anyone doing maintenance or retrofit work. The high sides of the boat were the starting point of its design, and though it's possible to certify the boat for Category B without the front railings, we wanted them there for added safety. Safe passage through the boat is one of our core values. Wide deck fairways and cabin size always require a compromise, and we spent a lot of time during the design phase to reach the optimal solution. Since boat owners love to spend lots of time on their boat, it was important that we include a large enough sunbed on the bow with a proper backrest, but without making the boat too high and heavy. A great sunbed is essential for longer boat outings. We decided on 2 large deck hatches because we wanted the maximum amount of light in the cabin, which can block out the light when preferred. These double hatches also offer the best possible option for air exchange in the front cabin. Building a sufficiently rigid and light roof is a big challenge for every boat manufacturer. We didn't want pillars disturbing the driver's field of vision. The solution was challenging to implement, but we succeeded. Our solution, a combined full-width long roof, is a rarity. The Saxdor 320 GTO truly delivers the perfect blend of comfort, performance, elegance, and style.